Day Green Shamrock Lucky Rainbow Extravaganza. I am so excited to be with you today. I heard you guys had such a great time with Mr. Jacob making some art. Someone else who had a really great time yesterday, Gerald, the green bird. Hey Gerald, top of the morning to ya. You've been having a really great time? I bet. I'm excited for our second day on this awesome holiday art time. So what did you guys make yesterday? A hat full of gold? That sounds really cool. Normally I hear about a pot of gold. Yeah, they're really cool. They're at the end of rainbows. You know, that gives me a really great idea for a craft. We can make a rainbow train with a pot of gold at the end. And when I say rainbow train, I mean rainbow chain. All right, let's see what we're gonna need. We're gonna need some strips of paper in rainbow colors. Got the gang's all here. We're also gonna need a pot of gold. I didn't have any black, so I decided to use gray to make my pot, and I cut out some gold colored circles for the gold in the pot. You're also gonna need a strip of paper that's the same color as your pot to kind of be the start of your chain. Now here's where things get interesting. You're of course gonna need some handy dandy glue. We always need that. But you're probably gonna need either some tape or a stapler in order to hook everything together. Let's see how it's made.
First, you're going to want to start by gluing down your gold pieces into your pot of gold. I put mine on the back and layered them so they were sticking out on the top of the front. Just put some extra glue on there to do some stacking. Looks great. Then you're going to want to take some tape and a strip of paper that's the same color as your pot in order to have a place to start your chain. I put mine a little further down on the pot, but you could put it closer to the gold to make it swing even better. Next, take your rainbow colors and create some chains. You can secure them by stapling or tape, whatever works best. Don't forget Roy G. Biv.
Wow, the last one. Let's see how it looks. Wow, that looks so awesome. We've got our rainbow chain with our pot of gold on the bottom. You can even add some glitter to the gold if you wanted it to shine a little bit more. You could also put the handle a little higher up if you want it to hang a certain way. But remember, no matter how you do your art, it's gonna look great. Let's show Gerald. Gerald, check out my pot of gold at the end of my rainbow chain. You think it looks magical? That maybe I should hide it from leprechauns? Who knows? Well, I had tons of fun with you today on our second day of St. Patrick's Day crafts. I know Mr. Jacob is so excited tomorrow for Mr. Jacob's art time. Well,